Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke with you the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I was unable to find your website, and if I'm mistaken on that, I apologize. So I just wanted to pull up a competitor of yours, go through theirs, and show you what we could do for you in comparison to theirs. So uh, one of the things that we can do is we can ramp up your content once we build you a website. Obviously, if you have a website, we can put you a lot of content on there. And see, these guys don't have the amount of content we're talking about, but we need about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And what we want to do is we want to put these keywords and we want to bold and highlight them on your homepage. So if it was HVAC services in Shreveport Bossier, we'd want to highlight them and bold them. And then the second way is with backlinks and referring domains. And it's basically, I can pull up this this tool. This is Action Air Conditioning, and they have 421 backlinks. They have 93 keywords. So we could go through here, and I would do this for all the top competitors in this area, and go through here and see what keywords are bringing them in the most volume. So here's one: air conditioner repair in Bossier City. It's got a volume of 200 with a KD of 0, so it's a really easy word to rank in. These guys are ranked 16, but it's not on their, it's not in their content. So we got to go in there, put it in the content, bold it, save our pictures as with this keyword, and Google will recognize this keyword on your website, and you'll start seeing more views because of that word being found on your website more often. And so obviously we just go through here and find the high volume keywords, put it on your on the AC installation. Bossier City's got a volume of 80 with a KD of 0. AC companies, Bossier City 60 and 0, and just go through the list and try to get the best keywords that we can, put them on your website, and go and try to get as much volume for you as possible and get you ranked in those words as easy as possible. So again, then we'd go to backlinks, and then we'd go through here and find out what backlinks are helping them, and put them on the back end of your website, so that it's going to bring you some power to your website. And basically, a backlink is basically anywhere one website refers to another website, and Google looks at this to see if that website is trustworthy or not. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. And the backlinks come from referring domains. So a referring domain is basically if that page is a higher rating and it's ranked, that referring domain will transfer that authority to your website. And for instance, like this right here is a no follow, so it's not getting any of that authority. It's not getting any power from these. So a lot of these backlinks and stuff and referring domains don't have any power, and it's not helping this website. So we would try to go out and get some better backlinks and put it on the back end of your website, and this will help you guys get ranked and Google, and try to get you to the top 3 and get you more clients and more clicks to your website. So if I go back over here to your deal, so and another thing is that with citations, so citations are anywhere your business name or number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages, just like this right here. And so the more we can get, the greater chance that you have of getting into the top 3. So normally I like to get all my businesses and I try to put them in 350 different citations. So I'll try to go find 350 different kinds of Yelps and put your name, business, and number, address, all that good stuff in those registries, and get your number in there. And what it does is it's going to get you ranked in your GMB. And this right here is a GMB or a Google Map Pack, and we're going to try to get you ranked right here in the top 3. And this is where about 70% of all your views are going to come from anyways. People are lazy these days. They only on their cell phones. Most people aren't on their computers. So if their air conditioner goes out, or if their water heater goes out, or if they need a pipe bust or something, they're going to get on their phone, they're going to go search what they need for, and it's going to show up right there in the Google Map Pack, and they're going to click right here on the top 3. So what we want to do is we want to try to rank in these keyword searches: air conditioner repair in Bossier, air conditioner repair in Shreveport, whatever services you provide. That's what the ones we're going to go after. We're going to go after those keywords that are high ranking, try to get you ranked in those, so you're going to show up in the top down here in the organic searches, and we're going to try to get you ranked right here in the GMBs. So basically that's what we try to focus on. We try to make, obviously we'd build you a really good looking website too that's really functional, so people can go in there, submit entry forms, so people can go in there and try to get a quote for a job. They can contact you multiple different ways. They can go to your Facebook page if you have one, and so on. So with that being said, man, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Shoot me an email. I'd be happy to sit down with you, see if we can help you and grow your business. and get you a website built, and get you ranking in Google so we can get you some more business, get you some more clients, and obviously get you some more money. So thank you for watching, and have a good day, bud.